Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these boxes from Dollar Tree, this wooden plaque and dowel cap, both from Hobby Lobby. I started by gluing the dowel cap on the center of that square plaque. I then take that plaque and hot glue it to the bottom of one of the boxes from Dollar Tree. The square plaque from Hobby Lobby is about 4 inches. The boxes are 5.5 inches. I paint both of those with linen color chalk paint, and that's by Folkart, and I paint them entirely. Next, I'm painting these dowels. I believe these ones I got from Amazon. They're 0.12 inches, and I paint them with that same linen color. Once everything's dry, I'm taking Gorilla Grip glue and placing it on the inside corners of the box, adding some hot glue and placing down one dowel. I do this in all 4 corners. Next, I take the other box, the one that has the plaque glued to it, add the Gorilla Grip glue. I then add the hot glue into the box on all 4 corners all at once, and then place in the other sides of those dowels. And that is it for this project. Super quick and easy. Thank you guys so much for watching.